Hi everyone, welcome back to English Fab, where learning English is practical, useful, and fab. Going to the bank can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with the terms used in banking. Whether you're opening an account, applying for a loan, or withdrawing cash, understanding key vocabulary will make the process much easier. In today's lesson, we'll go over essential banking vocabulary, following our English Fab website. You'll learn words and phrases related to bank services, transactions, financial documents, security, and more, so you can confidently handle any banking situation. If you find English difficult, don't worry, you can translate the subtitles into English and your own language like this. Check the description below for extra details. Now let's get started. Let's go over some essential vocabulary. 1. Banking services and transactions. Deposit, putting money into your bank account. Withdrawal, taking money out of your account, either from an ATM or at a bank counter. Balance inquiry, checking how much money is in your account. Transfer, moving money from one account to another. Bill payment, paying bills directly from your bank account. Loan application, requesting money from the bank that you will repay with interest. Currency exchange, converting money from one currency to another. Direct deposits, a payment, such as a salary, that is automatically transferred into your account. Wire transfer, sending money electronically, often to another person or company. Standing order, a scheduled recurring payment for things like rent or subscriptions. Mortgage, a long-term loan to buy a house. Investment, putting money into stocks, bonds, or other financial opportunities to grow wealth. Fixed deposit, a savings plan where money is locked for a certain period to earn interest. Overdraft, when you spend more money than you have in your account, often leading to extra fees. Bank statement, a summary of all your transactions within a certain period. 2. Banking facilities and people. ATM, a machine where you can withdraw or deposit money. Teller, a bank employee who assists customers with transactions. Branch manager, the person in charge of a bank location. Security guard, a person who ensures safety at the bank. Safe deposit box, a secure place in the bank to store valuables. Customer service desk, the area where customers ask for help with banking services. Drive-through banking, a service that allows customers to do banking without leaving their car. Online banking, managing your bank account through a website or mobile app. Check-in kiosk, a self-service machine where customers can complete certain transactions. Lobby, the main area inside a bank branch. Waiting area, a space where customers wait for their turn. Loan officer, a bank employee who helps with loan applications. Cash counter, the section where customers deposit or withdraw cash. Account manager, a person who helps customers manage their accounts and financial plans. Bank vault, a highly secure room where banks store cash and important documents. 3. Bank accounts and cards. Savings account, an account where you store money and earn interest. Checking account, a basic account for everyday transactions. Joint account, an account shared by 2 or more people. Business account, a bank account used for business transactions. Credit card, a card that allows you to borrow money from the bank for purchases. Debit card, a card that deducts money directly from your bank account when used. PIN number, a secret code used for card transactions. Card expiration date, the date when a debit or credit card is no longer valid. Account number, a unique number identifying your bank account. Interest rate, the percentage the bank charges or pays on loans or savings. Overdraft protection, a feature that prevents overdrawing from your account. Minimum balance, the lowest amount required to keep an account open. Bank fees, charges for different banking services. Cashback, a reward where customers get a small percentage of their purchase refunded. Account holder, the person whose name is registered on the bank account. 4. Financial documents and procedures. Checkbook, a booklet of paper checks used for payments. Bank statement, a record of all your account transactions. Loan agreement, a contract between a borrower and a bank outlining loan terms. Proof of income, a document showing how much money you earn, often required for loans. Identification card, a government-issued ID needed for banking transactions. Security code, a small number on your bank card used for security purposes. ATM receipt, a printed record of a transaction at an ATM. Currency exchange slip, a receipt showing money conversion details. Application form, a document to request a new bank service. Tax return, a document used to report income and taxes. Direct deposit authorization, a form allowing an employer to deposit money directly into your account. Signature verifications, checking if a signature matches official records. Transaction history, a list of past banking transactions. Contract signing, the process of officially agreeing to a banking service. Mortgage agreement, a contract between a borrower and lender for a home loan. 5. Banking security and fraud prevention. Fraud alert, a warning that suspicious activity has been detected on your account. Identity theft, when someone steals your personal information to access your money. PIN protection, keeping your PIN number private to prevent theft. Online scam, a fake scheme designed to steal money online. Data breach, a security failure where personal banking information is leaked. Phishing email, a fraudulent email trying to trick people into giving personal information. Secure transaction, a safe and protected financial exchange. Card skimming, a technique used by criminals to steal card information. Unauthorized access, when someone tries to use your bank account without permission. Transaction limit, a restriction on how much money can be transferred or withdrawn. Contactless payment, a fast payment method using a card or mobile phone without touching the reader. Emergency freeze, temporarily blocking your bank account or card for security reasons. Lost or stolen card, a missing card that should be reported immediately. Two-factor authentication, a security method requiring two forms of verification to access an account. Secure login, a protected way of signing into online banking. Now that we've gone over essential vocabulary, let's see how these words are used in real-life sentences. These examples will help you understand how to use them naturally in conversation. 1. Banking services and transactions. I made a deposit into my savings account this morning. A deposit means putting money into your bank account. You can deposit cash or checks at a bank or ATM. She used online banking to check her balance inquiry. A balance inquiry is when you check how much money is in your account. You can do this online, at an ATM, or in person at the bank. 2. Banking facilities and people. I withdrew cash from the ATM before heading to the cash counter. A withdrawal is when you take money out of your account, and an ATM, automated teller machine, allows you to do this quickly without going inside the bank. The branch manager helped me with my loan application. A branch manager is in charge of a bank location, and a loan application is a formal request to borrow money from the bank. 3. Bank accounts and cards. My credit card expires next year, so I need to request a new one. Every credit card has an expiration date, which means it stops working after a certain time. You need to renew or replace it before that date. He opened a joint account with his wife to manage their finances. A joint account is a bank account shared by two or more people, often used by couples or business partners. 4. Financial documents and procedures. The bank required my proof of income before approving the loan agreement. Proof of income is a document, such as a pay slip, that shows how much money you earn. Banks usually need this before approving a loan agreement, a contract for borrowing money. I signed the mortgage agreement for my new house today. A mortgage agreement is a contract between a borrower and a lender for a home loan. Signing it means you agree to the loan terms. 5. Banking security and fraud prevention. I received a fraud alert after a suspicious transaction appeared on my bank statement. A fraud alert is a warning from the bank about possible unauthorized activity on your account. A suspicious transaction is any unusual activity that may indicate fraud. Always enable two-factor authentication for a secure login. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of security for online banking. It requires a password plus a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone. Great job! Now you've learned essential vocabulary for banking, from making transactions to understanding financial documents and security tips. The next time you visit a bank, you'll feel more confident using these words and phrases. To improve even more, try practicing these words in real-life situations. Next time you check your balance, withdraw cash, or speak to a bank teller, see if you can use the terms from today's lesson. Okay, thanks for watching today's lesson on English Fab. I hope you found these English tips useful and feel more confident. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Fab English lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and stay Fab!